Assembly instructions. Before assembling Commode chair, allow the parts to reach room temperature if exposed to cold. This will help prevent the seat clamps from cracking during assembly onto the Commode's back cross brace. Install the main frame using the U-shaped bars and secure it with the provided screws. Note, the footrest bracket should be outer side of the frame. Insert back support into the main frame and secure it with provided C-clips. Insert the footrest plates into the main frame. Attach the footrest calf strap to the footrest legs. Align the seat clamps onto the back frame rail, ensuring both clamps are positioned outside the pail brackets. Push down on the seat until the clamps snap firmly into place. Install the Commode bucket by sliding it into the bucket holders, ensuring it is positioned straight. To remove it, simply reverse the process. You can install the seat on either side, front, back, left, or right. Congratulations, your installation is complete. Additional precautions. 1. Do not install the Commode without first reading and understanding this assembly and instruction sheet. If you do not understand these instructions, contact a healthcare professional, dealer, or technical expert before attempting installation. Failure to do so may result in injury or damage. 2. Inspect all parts for shipping damage before assembly. If there is any damage, do not use cease. Contact the dealer or carrier for further instructions. 3. The toilet seat must be in the down position before use. Failure to do so may result in damage to the Commode and possible injury. 4. When removing the seat, grasp the back of the seat and lift. 5. Ensure AL screws, nuts and/or bolts are tightened. 6. Users with limited physical strength should be supervised.